Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your language in Google Chrome. So here we are in Google Chrome. Make sure that you have opened a new tab and you are logged into your Gmail account. Now, once you've made sure of that, just go to the three vertical dot option on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just go down and select the settings option. And once you're here, you're gonna see a bunch of things on the left hand side. And one thing that you will see here is something that says languages. So you would need to just click on that. And after that, you can see something here that says preferred languages, and you will see this little box here where you have some of your languages selected. Now if you want to go ahead and add in more languages, you need to click on this add languages option and you need to search for the language that you want to add. You can add one language, you can add multiple languages that you want to add. Now once you've done that, now if you want to make your selected language as your default language, so what you need to do for that is just go to this three vertical dots option, just click on that, and then you can see this option that says move to the top. So just click on it, and now here as you can see my selected language has been on the top and it's given number 1. So now it has been made as my default language. But you can also see that it says this language is used when translating pages. So this is the selected language that is used for translating your pages. So you need to make sure that you remove that. So you can just remove this to make your selected language as the default language. So this was how you change your language in your Google Chrome. Now if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.